In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 IPTV players that I personally think are some of the best options available right now for Android TV devices. Welcome back to TechVibes, where we keep you up to date with the latest streaming guides. Now, if you use IPTV on your Android TV, Google TV, streaming stick, or any other streaming device, then you already know how important the IPTV player really is. Some players feel slow, some have terrible remote navigation, and honestly, some apps make browsing channels more frustrating than actually watching content. So, in today's video, I am going to show you 5 IPTV players that I personally think are some of the best options available right now for Android TV devices. Make sure you watch till the end because each app on this list is made for a different type of user. Let us get straight into it, starting with number 1, IPTV Smarters Pro. If you are new to IPTV, this is probably one of the easiest apps to start with. Setup is super simple. Just enter your login details or your playlist details and your channels load up quickly. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and easy to navigate. You also get separate sections for live TV, movies, and TV series if your playlist supports them. Remote navigation feels smooth, and overall the app runs very stable on most devices. So, if you want a simple IPTV player that just works, IPTV Smarters Pro is easily one of the safest options. Now, moving to number 2, TV Mate. Now this is easily one of the most premium IPTV players available for streaming devices. If you want your IPTV setup to feel like a real cable TV experience, TV Mate is probably going to be your favorite. The interface looks polished, channels are organized properly, and the TV guide is honestly one of the best I have used. You can quickly see what is live, what is coming next, and channel switching feels extremely smooth. Remote controls also work beautifully here. And if your provider supports catch-up, you can even watch missed programs later. So, if you want the most polished IPTV experience possible, TV Mate is definitely one of the best choices. Now moving to number 3, Televiso IPTV Player. This app is perfect for users who want something lightweight and fast. If you are using an older Android TV or lower-powered streaming device, Televiso performs surprisingly well. The app opens quickly, channels load fast, and overall it feels very smooth during daily use. You still get useful features like search, category sorting, and good remote performance without the app feeling heavy. So, if you want a clean and lightweight IPTV player, Televiso is a really solid option. Now, moving to number 4, iBomb Player. Now this app is more focused on users who want a modern and premium-looking IPTV player. The interface looks clean, polished, and easy to navigate. Channel switching feels responsive, playlist management is simple, and overall the app feels very smooth on Android TV devices. Now keep in mind, iBomb Player usually comes with a trial period, and after that you may need a one-time activation. But if you want a premium-looking IPTV player with a modern interface, iBomb Player is definitely worth checking out. Now, moving to number 5, IPTV Player. This app gives you a really nice balance between simplicity and modern design. The interface feels clean, channels load quickly, and overall navigation feels smooth. It does not overload you with unnecessary settings, but still gives you a polished IPTV experience. So, if you want something balanced, simple, and reliable for everyday IPTV streaming, IPTV Player is a really good option. All these apps are easily available to download on your streaming devices. Before you install anything, there is one important thing you need to do. Make sure you are using a VPN to protect your streaming activity and avoid any sudden restrictions. Using a VPN is the absolute best way to stay safe online and keep your digital footprint secure while streaming. If you enjoyed discovering these top tools, make sure to show some support to the channel. Please like this video, subscribe to the TechVibes channel for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below to let me know which player is your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.